Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Vandevi hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a Maharashtrian favorite, staple in most Maharashtrian houses. It's the Pithla. I hope you like my recipe. To make our Pithla, first I need to make a battery kind of a mix. So for that I have water mixed with buttermilk, some besan or gram flour. To this I am adding some salt, some haldi powder, lemon juice, some crushed garlic and some jeera powder. I am just going to give this a quick stir. I am doing this with a whisk to ensure there are no lumps. Last go in my onions. I am heating some oil in a pan. To this I am going to add in some mustard or rye. My mustard seeds have started crackling. To this I am going to add some chilies that are just slit, curry leaves, hing, I am adding our besan mix and I am going to keep stirring this. I am using the whisk again while this is cooking to ensure that there are no lumps and it's got a uniform cooking. My Pithla is ready to be served. I am garnishing the Pithla with finely chopped coriander leaves. Pithla is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this with Bhakri or Thalipeeth. Let me know in the comments how you like the recipe.